DesignDataManager allows a default issue number or letter to be defined, which is then assigned when creating a new part, assembly, drawing or document record. This default issue can subsequently be changed by the user when creating a new record. In the latest release of DDM version 2008.2, the administrator is provided with an option to restrict the issue numbers or letters that can be used by a predefined list. In a situation where issues contain both numbers and letters, you may wish to omit the letters I and O to prevent confusion with 1 and 0. To do this, open the DDM administration tool and select the Attributes tab. Now select the Issues option. This table shows the default issue sequence list for DDM. To remove unwanted issue numbers or letters, we must first select Enable Restricted Issues list. Select issue I from the list and then remove. You will be warned that removing this issue is permanent. Answer yes to complete the removal of issue I. Note, removal of multiple items is also possible. If enforced order of up-issuing is required, it is important to edit the entry for issue H so that its destination is set to J and not to I, which has now been removed. It is good practice to resolve this potential issue at this point in case enforced order of up-issuing is implemented later. To do this, select issue H and click Edit. In the dialog box, modify the destination from I to J. We will repeat this for issue O to prevent confusion with the number 0. Note, we can use the right-click option to delete and edit the issue entries. Now open DDM Office. We're going to up-issue a part from the PX 1005 project, so we have the search criteria set up accordingly. We also have the search results set to show the latest issues only. So let's now select part C-10047A, issue G, and up-issue it. By clicking on the object Issue and pressing F2, we can see the list of issues available to us. We can now confirm that issue I has been removed from the list of available issues. Select both part and drawing using either Edit, Select All, or using the key combination Ctrl-A. Select Next Issue. Both part and drawing have now incremented to the next issue, issue H. If we up-issue again, we should now see the item jump from issue H to J, missing out issue I. The part and drawing have now correctly moved to issue J. For now, we will cancel this up-issue and look at how to implement strict ordering of the up-issue sequence. In addition to specifying which issues can be used, provision is made for controlling the sequence of issue numbers or letters to prevent users skipping issues from the list. This progression, for example, could ensure that issues A, B, C are created only in that order and that issue numbers cannot be jumped or reversed. To enforce a strict order of up-issue numbers and/or letters, you will need to switch the option on from the administration tool. So now let's select Enforce Order of Up-issuing. Now from DDM Office we can again up-issue our part. If we again click on the part issue and press F2, we can see the issues available to us. We are now restricted to up-issuing to J only. Note, issue I is not available. Let's complete the process by up-issuing both part and drawing to the next issue. Up-issue is complete and part and drawing have been up-issued to issue J. This concludes the presentation on administering a user-defined issue list, functionality introduced in DesignDataManager version 2008.2.